Alright guys, I'm gonna do something really stupid. Made one of those water bombs, only out of aluminum foil. Gonna fill it with gasoline, put it in a microwave. Alright, aluminum foil water bomb filled with gasoline. This is probably not a good idea. I do have a fire extinguisher in case anything goes horribly wrong, which it probably will. I'm honestly scared. Look! Let's get this party started! It's working! Oh my goodness. I don't like this game. Oh my goodness. There's immediate fire. I'm going to say that this isn't safe. Alright, well since all the gasoline is obviously not used up, alright, well, I'm going to get a ball of aluminum foil. And toss it in since that obviously ain't working. This is how you do it! Oh. Oh my goodness. Well, that time it worked. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Oh, it's like exploding. Alright, the microwave is dead. Can y'all guys see anything aside from just white? Yeah. Alright, well, that's the end of the microwave for now. I'll have to get a new one. Later guys.